Alright, here we are trying the impossible. We're trying to set up a foam-walled haunt setup in a very windy day. So, we've already taken down the mine entrance, which was only half finished at the time, so we'll just pretend that we're walking into it now. And hopefully I'll have it up tomorrow. I can take more video of it. So we're walking in, and the side here is going to be covered up. And this is where the jumping Blucky is going to be. We're going to be like, oh, we're scared, and then turn this way. There's these walls finished, set up. And we're going to be going about this far, going around. Our scary girl is crawling around. It's going to be down here. Going to go around. Ooh, the walls are holding up pretty nicely. And we kind of did a little rearrangement here from the original. We're going to go turn the corner here. And then our dead miner, who's actually a live actor, is going to be right there. And then we're going to have a little pop-up scare there and exit here. And the board's moving. So that's about it for right now. And in addition to the making of a haunted house, in many cases we also have a repairing of a haunted house or haunted yard. You can see a lot of water. A lot of water got in these pumpkins. But they didn't have their lights in them, so it's okay. And now you can see the rest of the destruction of the graveyard. Knocked over all the tombstones. Oh, I put those two up. Spiderwebs are mostly down. Those are really bad. Yes, of course. Must hang the mini ghouls back up. Oh. So in addition to knocking everything down, found out that this lovely Reaper of my favorite makes a horrible mess when it gets wet, because they didn't rinse it out when they dyed it. But that's okay. That's easily washed. And my hanging Reaper dudes are wrapped around everything they could get their hands on. That guy's partly on the roof. But that's all easily fixed. Didn't have any damage to the tree or to the house with the 80-mile-an-hour winds, apparently, which is a good thing. That's a marble. So here's some more view of the awesomeness of wind. But, of course, the mine entrance is still standing. deflate our hearse. Covered up. Hopefully you can fix it. See all the leaves and things. There are a lot more branches last night. And there's the entrance to the mine. Still perfectly in one piece. Our Crow's had a little accident. Apparently he lost a wing as well. And that concludes the tour of the damage.
Yeah, that's it. Just do it. Do stuff.
How's it look?
You're pretty good. I can't see you. Not in this camera.
The whole effect, you know.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, pretty scary.
Alright. This is a night shot of all the spaghetti can lanterns working. I wanted to hang them up, but the trees don't have any offshoot branches, so I'm not going to damage the trees to hang those up. Plus, it's pretty windy tonight. So this is sort of how they'll all look in the mine entrance. They're going to be hanging just as some spooky ambiance lighting. All right.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.